Unraveling Silence. Understanding. Hush filled the room. Hello, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression. Hush filled the room. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. Let's explore together what it means, when to use it, and how it can add depth to your communication. Hush filled the room is a vivid expression used to describe a sudden, often dramatic, silence that envelops a space. This isn't just any silence. It's the kind of quiet that you can almost feel, a thick, tangible stillness that captures everyone's attention. It usually occurs after a surprising event or an anticipation of something significant about to happen. Imagine the reaction to a breathtaking magic trick or the tense moments before an important announcement. That's the essence we're talking about. To fully grasp the phrase, let's break it down. Hush. This word itself signifies silence, but it's a special kind. It's silence that's intentional, heavy with expectation or reaction, not merely the absence of noise. Filled the room. This part of the phrase suggests that the silence isn't just present. It spreads and occupies the space completely, affecting everyone in it. Together, these components create a powerful image of a moment where silence becomes almost a physical entity, impacting all present. Understanding when to use "hush filled the room" can elevate your storytelling or descriptive writing. It's perfect for moments of dramatic pauses in stories or speeches to emphasize the gravity of a situation or the suspense of what's to come. Reflective silence, describing scenes in novels or narratives where characters are in deep thought or shock. Atmospheric description, setting the scene in any form of storytelling, giving your audience a sense of being in the moment. To help solidify your understanding, here are a few examples. After the verdict was announced, a hush filled the room, leaving everyone in anticipation of the judge's next words. As the magician reached the climax of his act, a hush filled the room, everyone's breath held in suspense. When she finished her moving performance, not applause, but a respectful hush filled the room, as if the audience was too stirred to speak. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "hush filled the room." It's a beautiful expression that can add depth and emotion to your English usage. Whether you're writing a story, giving a speech, or simply sharing an experience, remembering this phrase can help you convey a powerful sense of atmosphere and emotion. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. See you in our next lesson.